Like a woman.
Mabango.
Umot.
Ha?
Sa baho niya.
Umot. Ang ganahan ko, gumot.
It would smell like flowers.
Flower. Sunflower. Smells like flowers and roses and stuff. I don't know.
Roses?
Rose?
Roses.
Kapagita. Perfume. Scent of bench 8.
Dorian.
PH care.
Bambulad.
Pero usap sa ni amo ani nga kuan or
Pagkakita man niya ay.
buladyo.
Bulat ka.
Nothing.
Tolerable. Ang bawat niya. Di masabtan.
Ew. It smells like
Rose.
pee mixed with sweat and grease and oil. Yes, pee mixed with sweat, grease, and oil.
Tag is baho. Murag halason. Ito inununan ni halason.
Heaven.